Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. My title here uses contrast to draw the eye of the viewer. Below it is my isotype, followed by a bar graph, and then a line graph, a pie chart, and then my citations at the bottom of the infographic. There are a few graphic design elements that I incorporated into my infographic. Proximity is how things are grouped, i.e., things grouped closely together are seen as related. As you can see from the infographic, I've grouped a visual element with a related statistic in order to utilize proximity and show the viewer these elements both discuss the same topic. Visual hierarchy is the graphic design choice of arranging elements by levels of importance. My infographic is very layered, with the more impactful statistics near the bottom of the infographic. This infographic is vertically aligned in order to please the eye and tie into the overall visual hierarchy of the infographic. The focal points are areas of high contrast that draw the eye. These are the graphs in these bold colors, and then the statistics that are leading off in bold. Similarity is the graphic design element of when objects look the same, viewers perceive a pattern. In this case, the pattern is very clear to the viewer, as I keep the same format throughout my infographic. Color harmony, these colors don't compete for the eye of the viewer. It's not overwhelming. All these elements tie in order to make a successful infographic. Please direct any further questions to me, and I'll be happy to clear up any misconceptions. Thank you very much.